Hi, today in front of me Nubia Red Magic 6R, and I'll show you how to customize always on display feature on this device. So first let's unlock our smartphone and open the settings, then click to always on display section, and here we can change the our thumbs here. So we can select one from this available one, the images. We can also use the custom theme, tap allow. We can, for example, let's select this photo here, so we can change here the filters, the masks. So okay, we can crop the photo, we can add here the text if you want, change this text style, color, the size. And let's, for example, click here to save. We can also here change the settings to show the time and location. Then just let's click to apply, and we can see that we just successfully changed it. So for example, let's try the another theme, not the custom one, just but the default one. So we can here select the images, gifts, videos, times, text, analog clocks, digital clocks. For example, let's use the gifts here. So let's use this one. We can also change here the position of the clock, notifications and times. We can turn off this option. So let's click to apply here. As you can see, that's so simple to change it. So here also let's click on the right upper corner and the settings icon. If you want to change the start and the end time of the don't disturb mode, you can also of the AOD mode, you can switch it here. So we can select just time, hours and minutes here. So we can change the show durations from 5 minutes to 60 minutes, change the brightness level of the don't disturb mode, of the always on display mode, to pick up our phone to show, to use lower power off mode here, and to turn on or turn off the desktop shortcuts. So that's it. That's how to customize always on display feature on our Nubia Red Magic 6R device. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.